I'm starting this video really late. I ended up staying up all night and then Home Depot opened, got some supplies to paint the inside of my school bus, got a color for it, and I just invited all my friends over to come home. Here's just a little bit of the day.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna get like the little edges.
Alright, this is day 2 of convincing my friends to build my school bus for me. Look at how good she's turned out so far. Honestly, couldn't have picked a better color. I love this so much. I bought a whole thing of paintbrushes and some color, and I'm just gonna have all my friends just draw something on the roof. Something interesting, something cool. Literally, it could be anything, I don't care. But I'm excited to see what they come up with. Alright, so it's 2 weeks later. I'm in Fall Creek Falls, Tennessee. I actually completely moved out of my apartment, moved into my school bus full time. Had best decision of my life. I think I have the best school bus setup for 2 people that I could think of. So here it is. One thing I prioritized was I wanted there to be 2 entryways so the back door could still be used. And there's a hallway which has a lot of space. And then actually I have a lot of space right here for a living room area. So one thing about my school bus that's different is I got 2 seats in the front. It's all my shelf space, so this is the stuff that I need to, if I need to just grab real quick. I just get it from here, and it's all just back behind this netting. This is how I get my power to the school bus, actually. It's a power inverter that just runs off the battery. When you put in the lights, come on, and you have a whole lit school bus. And you can run this for about 12, maybe 16 hours. And then just as long as you run the alternator on the engine, you'll be fine. This little button just like this. I got 2 hiking camelbacks so we can hike anytime we need. I think that's the smartest way to do a sink area is just get one of these. It costs $2 to fill up, and this pump is $10. And you just pump this and the water comes out. Oh, mine's completely empty. Got my dirty clothes hanging right here, and a broom, and all that stuff I need real quick, like food, I keep right here. And all my cooking supplies I keep right here. And then when cooking, the easiest way to do is just to flip this foam pad up, and then boom, stovetop. And then I got these blue bins right here. These are just storage for just extra stuff like clothes or stuff I need to grab really quickly. I just keep them in here. And these bins also double as chairs. So if I have people over, I can just put them in the living room. And then boom, right here, I just got all my shirts and all my pants. That's my school bus. Has a quick rundown of it. It's very simple. It's really all you need. It's honestly more space than I need, and a lot of my storage I don't even use. If you guys want to keep up to date with what's going on, you can follow me on Instagram. That's where I post all the current stuff. Just a little sneak peek at next week's video.